Step-by-step guide to an amicable divorce in Palmdale. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you and your spouse are on the same page, an amicable divorce in Palmdale is the fastest, simplest, and least stressful way to move forward. Let me walk you through the steps. First, we file your divorce petition electronically with the Los Angeles County Superior Court at the Antelope Valley courthouse. Second, your spouse signs a notice of acknowledgment so you can skip the hassle of a process server. Third, both of you complete and exchange financial disclosures. This step is required in every California divorce. Fourth, we prepare a written settlement agreement that covers property, debts, support, and custody if you have kids. Finally, we submit your judgment package to the court for approval. For example, we recently helped a Palmdale couple who wanted to keep things simple. By following this exact process, we had their paperwork filed, signed, and submitted in just 2 weeks, and the court approved their divorce without a single rejection. At Divorce661, we specialize in amicable divorces. We handle the entire process for one flat fee, so you don't have to worry about mistakes or delays. If you're ready for a smooth, stress-free divorce in Palmdale, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation today.